Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on this channel. Go check out my Telegram channel for more tricks and tools in the description. So today we are going to learn how to create multiple accounts on WhatsApp. So let's get started with this tutorial. So first of all, you need two applications. One application is VPN Unlimited and one is Hush. So you can check out those application links in the description and download those applications from those links. So I will show you how to get this access. So let's begin. First you need to open the Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, you need to go to TempMail. After opening the TempMail, you need to take a random email from TempMail to get sign up in the Hush app. So for getting sign up in the Hush app, just copy the email from the TempMail. It will take some time to load, so have some patience. Okay, you can see whatever I am doing in this video, you just follow the same procedure and you will get the access. So just copy the email. After copying the email, go to the VPN section and open the VPN. After, it will take some time to load to get you the VPN which you needed. So as we are going to take the USA country VPN. Okay, so once you open this application, it will show you a optimal message below, but it's not showing to me because I am using this application from long time. So you need to click on those optimal option. After clicking on the optimal option, you need to scroll down and you can select any US country. So for now, I will select US California. Okay, so I am selecting the US California. I have been connected to US California now, and we will go to the Hush app. So after opening the Hush app, it will ask you for sign up process. So just simply sign up. Click on sign up and paste the email which you have copied from TempMail. So I am pasting the email and create any random password. So after creating the password, just simply click on sign up and click on I agree after then and allow all the permissions which Hush app is asking from you. So it will load for creating account. Have some patience until then. So as you can see, we have been signed up in Hush app. So you can see add number option. So click on add number option there in the below. So after clicking on add number option, you can see get a free 3-day number, claim now. So click on claim now. After clicking on claim now, I will give you a code. So just go with that code and get a WhatsApp access. So you can see the code and enter the same code on your site. So click on search. You can see there are many numbers. So we need to check for WhatsApp which access we can grant for. So I will show you. So just simply minimize the screen and open the WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, just select the country. So we have taken the number from United States. So select United States and apply the number here. So simply minimize your screen and try different numbers. So you will get the number very easily from here. There is nothing a big issue. So I will show you. So I will go for third number. So you can see and I have entered the number and simply I will click on next and I will check out whether it is asking for the. So you can see it's not asking for me to make a WhatsApp account, so I can go with the another number. It will interrupt you for seconds, you can say. So you shouldn't leave the page or you shouldn't leave the application. You can get any number from this. Okay, so I am going for the last one. Okay, so I am gone to last number. Okay, so I will click on next and we'll check out whether it's giving an access or not. Okay, so if you don't get access like this, you need to check out every number. We can even try with other code. So still there are 4 numbers are pending. So from 4 number we can get any number. 2363417. Okay, 2363417. 2363417. Okay, so we will click on. So you can see we have got a number. So now you need to do the same as I have did. So we will first make an account and after then we will go for. Okay, so let's make an account on this number. Okay, so which number it was? Okay, 2363417. Okay, click on this number, claim for free. Now click on this. After clicking on this, it will give you a permission to this account. Okay, so we have been in the page. So you finally got a permission in this account. So now simply turn off your VPN. VPN is not needed here. So you can turn off the VPN. So I am turning off the VPN. So I have been turning off the VPN. After then, you have got the access. So just simply go to WhatsApp and click on next. So click on OK. After then click on continue. Give allow permission and it will send you an OTP. Okay, so what you need to do now, sometimes this application sends you OTP, sometimes it doesn't send you OTP. So for that, you need to turn on your voicemail option. So for doing that, you need to go to calls option. After going to calls option, you need to go to the settings. It's ahead of calls option. So after going to settings, you need to click on call management and you can see that there is an option send calls to voicemail. So just turn it on. After turning it on, you will receive a voicemail from WhatsApp. Okay, so you just need to click on call me for getting verified. Okay, so as you can see, it's been auto option over here and it's showing that recent SMS in 13 hours and down below it's showing me call me. So you need to have some patience. It will send you a voicemail. It will take some seconds or some minutes. You need to have that patience. So after you will get a voicemail, you can hear that the OTP which will be sent from WhatsApp in voicemail. You need to just enter that voicemail OTP in that blank section. Okay, so we can call now. So I am clicking on call me option. Okay, so I am requesting for a call. Okay, so it will send me a voicemail. Okay, so it will take some time. So you can see I have received a call from WhatsApp. So within few seconds I will get a voicemail from WhatsApp and we can enter that OTP and get the access to our WhatsApp. So you can see we have received a voicemail from WhatsApp. So we need to just click on voicemail option. After clicking it on, we need to just play the button. So I can hear the OTP. OTP is 671. Six seven one 289 671 289. That is our verification code, and we are getting verified now. So have patience. So finally we have got the access of WhatsApp. You can see. So we have been on WhatsApp now. Okay. So just skip this part, whatever it's asking for, restore, and you can set up your WhatsApp account. So for example, I will set up my account. You can check out. You need to do the same, and now you know how to make a WhatsApp account and what to do next. So you can see, I will show you completely. So it's taking time. I will show you. Okay. So it's on the initializing process, and you can see now we have got a WhatsApp account. So as I'm using WhatsApp GB here, because I'm already been using two WhatsApp. So you can see we have got a WhatsApp account. GB settings. Okay. So you can see, yeah, you can see our WhatsApp. That's how we can create a WhatsApp account. Okay. Okay, so I will show you, like you can send message to anyone from this WhatsApp account. Well, okay, so like you can see, technical freaks admin has been written here, and you can check out the number. See, you can check out, we have got an WhatsApp account. Okay, now we can text to anyone, whoever we want from this account. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please let me know your views on this tutorial in the comment section below, and follow us for the further most interesting contents. See you guys in another video soon. Until then, bye.